what's up? So today we're going to be doing a get ready with me / transformation. I am going to be going from this to this, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. So I'm going to start with my hair. This is an old wash and go. This is the wash and go I've been wearing in my videos for the past 3 uploads that you've been seeing. And as you can see, I mean, it's really frizzy. It's time to like do it over again. So it's probably been like 5 days. This is like my favorite style to do when my hair is old. So I'm gonna just start off by spritzing my hair with some water. And for the gel, I'm gonna use extreme gel, a lot of this. So first I start by applying it in the front. Ooh. My swirly curly snappy ties and bring it around. After this, I use some Pump It Up spritz to make everything stay. This is not really good for your hair, but it holds it, so I only use it when I'm doing really slick styles like this. I'm gonna add some of my Hydrotherma Naturals. A little bit to my actual puff. So yes, I'm gonna let the edges set, my hair set, and now we're gonna go ahead and move on to makeup. All right, you guys, so we're gonna move on to the makeup now. I already have my brows filled in. I'm gonna prime my eyelids using a little bit of P. Louise eyeshadow base. Okay, so this eyeshadow look was so easy. Started off with the shade Ginger in the Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia. Went in with the Juvia's Warrior 2 matte with this shade right here. Next, I went in with this color from MAC, and this is called Trompe. I don't know the name, but I'm just gonna go ahead and focus it on here. But basically you just need like a pale light color like this. After that color is on my lid, it should look like this. So you have a nice contrast between this like whitish, off-white eggshell color and then the light brown. And then what I do is I use this brown color in the Warrior 2 palette. You kind of want to get it on a little bit of a denser, more dense type of brush. And I just focus it on the outer portion. But keep it like out here. I don't bring it all the way in. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. And for this look, I did not do a wing. I just did like a little bit of a thick line. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the skin. Of course, I'm gonna prime my face using my Too Faced Hangover Primer. For my complexion, I mixed my Juvia's Place foundation with a little bit of MAC Essential Oil because the Juvia's Place foundation, it's a little bit too drying for me on its own, so I like to mix it. You don't need a lot of this. I do apply this foundation with a sponge, and I'm gonna mix a little bit of my oil in there. Next, I used my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I used Caramel. While the setting powder is on my face, I'm gonna go in with this black matte color from the Juvia's palette, and I'm gonna use this on my bottom lash line. Gonna do a little bit more powder, and I'm gonna use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I use the shade Dark, and I'm gonna just use that all over. Then I'm gonna take my Morphe Bronzer Contour Powder. Sahara blush palette, I'm using this shade Toby. I'm gonna mix these two Royalty highlighters, Royalty 1 and Royalty 2. Both are from Juvia's Place. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face and apply lashes, and we'll do the gloss as well. Okay, so my lashes are on, my scarf is off. I fluffed out the puff a little bit, but you see the curls are a lot more moisturized and defined now. And I laid my baby hairs a little bit. So now we're gonna do the lip combo. I'm gonna be using 2 lip liners, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. So the first lip liner I'm gonna go in with is Chestnut from MAC. Now I'm gonna use Cork. Next, I'm taking the lipstick Bare Bling from MAC. This whole lip combo is MAC. And then, to top it off, I'm gonna use See-Through lip gloss from MAC. Yep, my best work, but y'all, look at the blend. Can y'all see the blend? With this makeup look, because not only is it simple, but like it looks like you did a lot, you know, it looks like you did a lot, but really I used a few eyeshadows and that was it. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look and this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure your notification bell is on so you won't miss any uploads from me, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Comment down below what you guys think of this look, because I absolutely love it. And look how my curls turned out. Like, yes, that's what I'm talking about. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.